To solve a percent problem, we need to recognize that every percent problem has three components. The first is what we call the base. This represents the total quantity, or all. Second is a portion of this base, which we refer to as the part. The third component is rate. Rate is the term that we give for the percentage. And let's look at an example of a problem and identify the base, part, and rate. Lisa purchased a new car for $32,000. The tax rate is 5%, so the amount of tax on the purchase is $1,600. If we're to identify the base, we need to look for the total quantity, or all. And in this case, that would be the cost of the new car. One of the easiest things to identify next is the percentage, or perhaps first. Order really isn't important in identifying the three components to percent problem. And in this case, the rate is 5%. Third component to identify is the part. Part is a portion of the base, and in this example, that would be the amount of tax on the purchase, which is equivalent to the $1,600. A couple hints for solving percentage problems are: one, which I previously talked about, is the rate. The rate is the percentage. Either the word percentage will be used or you'll see the percent sign. Once you've found the rate, often you will see the word of following it. The next number after the word of is almost always the base. To illustrate that, here we have 83.3% of 60 is 50. The rate, of course, is the percentage. Using the hint previously laid out here, we have the word of, and the number following it is 60, making 60 our base and leaving 50 the part.